How to change graphics settings in Lost Light game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If your Lost Light feels laggy, too sharp, or too low quality, changing the graphic settings can make a huge difference in smoothness and visibility. First of all, open the Lost Light game and wait until you reach the lobby page. Once you're in the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner and this will open up settings. Inside the settings menu, go to the left hand side and tap on video. Under video, you'll see the quality option. If the game lags or if the device overheats, you can lower down the quality to standard or to smooth. If you want better visuals or graphics in the game, you can choose Refined or HD option from the same quality tab. You can also lower the FPS if your game lags or your device overheats. But if you have a better performing device, then you can opt out for Super or Ultra or even High. So from here, you can go ahead and change the graphic settings. Whether you have a high performing device or a low end device, you can play the game just fine by making these simple changes. So that's how you can get a good balance between smooth gameplay and clear visuals on Lost Light. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.